Performance characteristics and production process of ceramic hard sealing ball valves. Runjing ceramic hard sealing ball valve is a patented technology product of Runjing company. Its ball core and valve seat are made of corundum ceramic or silicon carbide. The ball core and the almost completely fitted valve seat rotate relative to each other to achieve opening and closing. It has a hard sealing structure and features low torque, corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and durability. The sintering temperature of alumina is 1680 degrees Celsius, and the Rockwell hardness reaches HRA 85 or above. The sintering temperature of silicon carbide is 2200 degrees Celsius, and the Rockwell hardness reaches HRA 90 or above. Their hardness is second only to diamond and sapphire in nature, and is 7 to 9 times that of steel. They can adapt to various high wear and high brushing conditions. Through hardness tests, it can also be found that special ceramic valve cores or seats can easily leave marks on glass, and their hardness is much higher than that of glass. Aluminum oxide and silicon carbide are two materials with high hardness, both of which have characteristics such as high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, and wear resistance. Silicon carbide has a higher melting point, higher sintering temperature, and higher hardness after molding. Its corrosion resistance range is wider, and it is recommended to use silicon carbide valve cores in strong oxidizing media such as hydrofluoric acid solution or strong alkaline media such as high concentration sodium hydroxide solution. According to the different sealing materials, ball valves can be divided into soft sealing ball valves and hard sealing ball valves. The common ball valves on the market are generally made of metal or plastic cores, and their sealing surfaces are made of soft materials such as rubber. The sealing is achieved by squeezing the core and rubber, which is called soft sealing ball valves. There is also a type of hard sealing ball valve where both the valve core and sealing surface are made of hard materials and sealed through the clearance between the ball core and sealing surface, which is called hard sealing ball valves. The core and sealing surface of Runjing ball valve are made of high hardness special ceramic materials, so it is called ceramic hard sealing ball valve. After precision machining, the core and seat of Runjing ceramic hard sealing ball valve have almost completely adhered and rotated relative to each other, with a surface roughness as low as 0.1 microns. The material has small elastic deformation and good self-lubricating properties. From table, it can be seen that the torque of Runjing ceramic hard sealing ball valve is only 1/5 part or even 1/10 of that of traditional ball valves. Therefore, the opening and closing of Runjing ball valve is very smooth. The actuator of the ball valve is small, and the power consumption is relatively low. The electrical service life is long. The low torque characteristic of Runjing ball valve can achieve low power opening and closing. Runjing has developed a leakage shut-off valve using this feature, which is installed in the entire house's total water inlet and automatically closes when leakage. The power consumption is very low, and 2 batteries can open and close 4,000 times. The valve core of Runjing ball valve is made of 95% alumina ceramic or silicon carbide material, which has excellent chemical stability and does not react with most acidic, alkaline, organic solvents and other media. It has outstanding corrosion resistance. From table it can be seen that alumina can resist corrosion in various acidic media except hydrofluoric acid and high concentration nitric acid, while silicon carbide has better corrosion resistance, such as strong alkali and strong oxidizing acid media. The ball valves with Runjing plastic valve bodies are mainly made of materials such as UPVC and PPO, which can be used in various acids, bases, and organic solvents. In addition, for high temperatures, pressures of 10 bar to 16 bar, or outdoor situations without protection from ultraviolet radiation, valve bodies made of 316L stainless steel, PPE, AD-PA, and other materials can be selected. The core and seat of Runjing ball valve are precision machined, with reliable sealing. After testing by the National Valve Quality Supervision and Inspection Center, Zhejiang, Runjing DN32 ceramic hard sealing ball valve has been opened and closed 1 million times at 6 bar with no leakage for 1 minute. Runjing DN125 ceramic hard sealing pneumatic ball valve has been opened and closed 950,000 times at 6 bar, with no leakage for 1 minute. It has a long service life. In recent years, Runjing Company has made significant breakthroughs in the production process of special ceramics, overcoming the complete set of technical difficulties in the forming, processing, sintering, grinding, finished product of ceramic ball cores. Aluminum oxide or silicon carbide raw materials are formed by dry pressing or isostatic pressing, and then sintered at ultra-high temperatures of 1680 degrees Celsius or 2200 degrees Celsius, and then precision processed to ensure that the valve core and valve seat can form a smooth sealing surface and closely fit, achieving easy opening and closing. Plastic parts such as plastic valve bodies and dust covers are injection molded and CNC processed, while metal parts such as stainless steel valve bodies are CNC processed. The entire process from raw materials to finished products is strictly inspected to ensure stable and reliable product quality. Ceramic ball cores require roundness, flatness, and hardness testing. 15 tests including acid and alkali resistance testing. The production process strictly adheres to the principles of mandatory on-site inspection, principle of final inspection for each batch. During the assembly process, 100% water pressure and air pressure tests are conducted under a pressure of 6 bar. Perform 35 bar pressure explosion on each batch of Runjing ball valves, 24 bar static pressure and 100,000 cycles of circle pressure test. 8 tests including sediment resistance, high and low temperature, and protection level. At present, Runjing Company has achieved large-scale production of DN50 to DN200 caliber ball valves, which are widely used in water treatment, wastewater treatment, chemical industry, printing and dyeing, metal smelting, lithium battery production and other fields, and exported to more than 30 countries and regions around the world.